To create a QR code of a contact for easy sharing to others on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Contacts app. Tap the desired contact you like to create a QR code. Tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the bottom right. And then select QR code. You can see that the QR code for the selected contact has been made. Next, you can tap Share button at the bottom of the screen to share it with others through a method you prefer, or you can let the one whom you want to share this contact with to scan the QR code with their phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.